What's up, crypto world? How y'all doing? This is No Noise with your host, Z-Rex, coming at you live November 7th, 2018, after those super exciting midterms. I'm sure y'all had all y'all's big parties and, you know, we're super stoked about all the just amazing results out there. I don't really care about the politics, except for a little bit, because it will change some market regimes of how, you know, senators or congressmen, or maybe how the president's going to have to work with people or whatever, and moving on, you know, infrastructure bills, etc. So certain sectors should see boosts from that. I'm stoked to, you know, mix it up a little bit. That's never a bad thing. Let me close something real fast. Alright, there we go. Alright, so my internet was kind of being okay, but we're gonna run it. I'll probably get unlucky, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to do it. If it gets messed up out there, please do holler at me. I'm gonna write it in the stream too, in the chat. Let me know. But yeah, I got this internet problem here. I'm trying to figure out. I'm gonna go to the phone company later and talk to them and see if maybe I might just have to get another damn phone line, which sucks, but it kind of is what it is, right? Alright, so it says I'm dropping some frames, but it's okay. It's trying to stabilize. We're just gonna run with it. If it gets too crazy, transfix, let me know. Alright, so we've had some awesome movement in the markets. Oh, let's go to live stream before I forget. We had some just great movement in equities for the last while, anticipation of, you know, just the election and all this crap. Had a big sell-off. We rallied really hard today with the House getting the Democratic control. So now everyone's saying, oh, it's stalemate, gridlock, it's good for markets, nothing can happen, everything can stay the same, blah, blah, blah. That's great. That's cool. The market seems to like it, that's for sure. In crypto world, we've been seeing altcoins kind of break out a little bit and have been showing some really good relative strength. Let's go ahead and jump into those real quick. Take out some of those. Let's go to the last 7 days. So you got Bitcoin Cash killing it, not a surprise, coming up to the fork, which I believe is the 15th if you don't know. I guess we can just go ahead and look at Bitcoin Cash real quick while we're talking about it. Go ahead and jump right in there, because I don't know how long my internet's going to be able to handle this, so I'm going to try to do it a little faster than usual. So here you can see it just skyrocketing. Back over here, even right before the big pop, if you look at some DMI and use it, it got into the power zone right here for this day, November 1st and 2nd. And then later in the 2nd, I guess that's in the morning, sorry. So about in the 1st. And then the 2nd popped off real hard, also over the three shorter term exponentials, and it hasn't looked back since, riding up to 21 very nicely. Bull's still very much in the power zone. The 15th though is right around the corner though, so you got the 15th about here where my crosshair is, and look at this trend line that we're also coming up into. So if I was still well, actually, I am long Bitcoin Cash, but I am pretty much going to take the rest of my profits off today and probably tomorrow, because, you know, this is just too close. What are you going to sit here and wait for another 40, 50 bucks, 7% when it's already moved like 40 to, you know, 50%? I don't know. Doesn't make sense to me. So, yeah, I think this is a good spot for some resistance and also some management. That's how I'll be treating it. Alright, back over to the list. BAT token, of course, has been looking really good. Let's go ahead and check it out, because it has been a couple days since we've talked. This internet thing is really messing me up, y'all. It's kind of pissing me off a little bit. Can't get internet in my house. What kind of shit is that? Alright. Here we go. Wow, I don't even have the lines. I'm probably mixing up charts here, though. No worries. Throw them on real fast. Alt-H, you can do that. Here you go. On the daily, even nice breakout. It's been very bullish since pretty much Halloween. Stabilizing right around the 21 and 55 exponential So that was a really good signal for BAT for re-entry on the dollar pair. Didn't see that one. Need to add that to my regular regimen of daily coin lookups. There's just so damn many. I mean, y'all know how it is. It's so hard to watch all these mostly shit coins, but hey, it's all good if there's opportunity, right? Lots of volume here pumping, and it looks like it's going to break out. Kind of looks like it might want to test, because you could have drawn a trend line about there-ish, roughly here, kind of about like that. So it's busted out of that, come back, tested it, which coincide right with the 21 daily, so that's like perfect. And the longer term moving average, yeah, this looks pretty damn healthy. So what I'd be looking for on this, if you are in here, is on the hourly, see if bears can get up into the power zone. That might show you some weakness. And if you want to keep it simpler and say screw that, like I always say, just start off with a 21 and 55 exponential moving average and price alone, and maybe RSI. But just those two alone will give you a really good idea of kind of general direction. So that is the orange and the yellow line here. But yeah, this is looking pretty damn healthy still on the BAT token. Alright, back over here to the markets. Ripple getting some love in the last week. Of course, Stellar would too. Cardano, we haven't looked at Cardano in a long time. Let's go ahead and peep that. Oh man, I forgot Cardano has futures. Let's go over to Bittrex because they usually have the most data, but that is definitely not the most data. Damn, Cardano's on Kraken too? Was unaware, that must be new. Yep, that just happened. So if you didn't know, Cardano got on Kraken early October. Don't want any of that though. Man, where the hell? I guess we're just gonna go Binance. Maybe it's been on Binance the longest. Yeah, look at this. This looks pretty nice. Kind of a basing pattern here in the last month. Let me put the horizontals on real fast. Basing pattern, pretty nice, while everything else has been kind of doing the same thing, but not in the same position as where this price action is relative. So this looks pretty damn good. I like where this setup is. I do like Charles Hutchinson and all that kind of stuff too. Did get rejected right here, the first touch of the longest term moving exponential here, the red. But it is finding support at the 21, so this could just be a little liquidation break, getting ready to bust through that. But again, not the best place to get long here, but keep an eye on Cardano. It looks like it might be getting ready for a breakout, and if this can close on a daily again above this 55, we probably will run up to this purple line, so that could be a pretty nice move in Cardano. I'm actually going to go ahead and put me an alert on this guy right here, you know, just to obviously alert me. How are those frames out there, Transfix? Got a little, I can't see the time. It just tells me that, like, the general percentage. So, alright. Hopefully he gets that soon, and we'll see. So some good movers. In the last day, BAT looks like the most. STEEM. Let's go look at STEEM. We haven't looked at STEEM in a while, and then we're going to jump into Mama Bear. We'll go STEEM dollar on Bittrex. There should be quite a bit of data for that. Oh man, look at this. We still had this long setup kind of back over here on STEEM. Technically, it got kind of closed out of it right here and here. But, I mean, talk about just like barely. But hey, it's done. Still basing here. Still looking kind of nice for a long. You got bulls getting up on the daily. Bears are getting into the weak zone. So this might be ready for a pop any moment now. Let's look on the 4 hour. Yeah, and 4 hour just got bullish. So, yeah, STEEM is actually looking pretty sexy here. Alright, cool. Thank you, Transfix. Yeah, sometimes... Oh, no. That wasn't a good one. I know. It's running off. Is it about to murder me? Damn it. I'm seeing really low kilobyte per second numbers. I might have to just start recording these until I figure out, and uploading them until I figure some shit out. Anyway, this is looking pretty damn good on STEEM. Yeah, I think I'm getting screwed right now. Mic check me, bro. Alright, let's go. We actually skipped the market cap graph. Don't want to do that. Ah, damn it. I'm pretty sure I'm getting screwed right now. if this number is right that I'm seeing on my stream, on my internet. Cut out for a sec. Yeah. God damn it, man. Well, alright. It does not look like... Yeah, I'm going back. I'm climbing on my overall. Damn it! I'm going to... Lame. Super lame. That's so lame. Yeah, I'm not getting above. That's whack. Alright, guys. I'm sorry. Sorry about that again. Looks like I am going to have to go to uploading. Only until I figure out my internet. But maybe I can get it fixed later today. Alright. Well, y'all got a couple coins. So there you go. That'll be it for right now. I'll have to come back here in a little bit and